up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be putting an STI wing on my girlfriend's 07 WRX Hawkeye. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the bolts holding on her old wing and then also the brake light, and that should be it. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the wing off, and honestly, I'm pretty happy with this wing. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it matches pretty freaking good. The only problem, I guess, when we got the wing, and we'll put a link down in the description, but it has a little bit of a chip right there. I don't know how well you can see that, but they refunded her some of the money, so we'll get it fixed at a body shop here in town. But I'm happy. You happy?
Yes.
Sweet. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so I know there's going to be a couple haters out there, but come on guys, look at that. That looks pretty freaking sweet. I dig it. You like it?
Yes.
That looks freaking sweet. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so what we ended up doing was going to the store and getting a big roll of paper. We laid it out, used the bottom of the spoiler, and poked holes where the bolts are going to go. And now all we have to do is mark it with our marker and then start drilling some holes. Alright guys, well, this thing's kind of kicking our butts, so I think we're going to go for a Starbucks run, finish it up after we're done with that.
Here is your vanilla bean.
Thank you.
Your mango dragon fruit. Would you like a receipt tonight?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Have a good one. Yep, you too.
Straws.
So we had to cut the plug off of her old wing, and then we're just going to take some wire connectors and then some heat shrink, and we fed our wire for the brake light up and through the trunk. So we'll get this wired up and it should be good to go. It's getting pretty late, but we're going to put in her headlights. We'll also drop a link in the description for these also. These ones are kind of schnasty. Not only that, but these ones look way cooler. Like 10 times cooler. It's gonna completely change how it looks. So, you ready to knock it out?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so all you really have is a couple clips up top to take off your bumper to get to your headlights, and then a couple clips underneath the bumper, and then I also think there should be one up in each wheel well corner. Alright, yeah, that looks way better. For sure. Like it?
They look way better.
That looks a lot better. It's gonna look sick. Alright, there you have it, guys. That looks so much better. Well, it's late, we're tired. Should we shut the hood and see what it looks like? Cool. Yeah, get that gross headlight out of here. Noob. Oh, that looks sweet. That looks absolutely sick. Oh yeah, so much better. So much better. Here you go, boys.
If there's any girls watching.
I'm not sexist. That looks sweet. Do you want to turn the lights on?
Lights on?
Yeah, let's see what they look like.
Yeah.
Turned out pretty cool. We'll drop links in the description on where we got the stuff, the headlights and the wing. I'd just be kind of leery about the wing. I mean, it looks pretty good, but it kind of sucks that it came cracked. But like I said, we got a little bit of a refund. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty sweet. Until next time.